Install the MD-214R sound and light alarm device. Loosen the 6 screws with a screwdriver to remove the battery cover. Connect the lithium battery pin holder to the standby power port. Close the battery cover and tighten the screws. Plug in the charging power interface to charge the battery. Fix the bracket to the proper mounting wall with the screws. Find the small convex grooves on the sound and light alarm device to match the grooves on the bracket, and push hard to the right. After installation, ensure that the installation is stable. MD-214R sound and light alarm device code reading. Open app and tap device. Click Gear Settings in the upper right corner. Click the sound and light alarm settings. First, long press the left black button on the sound light alarm device. Then click the Start button on the mobile app to read the code. The sound and light alarm sounded with a drip and a flashing red light. Indicates that the code is read successfully. Release the read button.